Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I'm super excited about this review today. I'm loving this. It is a giant pop-up gazebo and it comes in this awesome bag to store it that has wheels and a pocket and two handles to lift it. I mean, you just cannot beat this. So when you open it up, you get this steel structure and then these bags that you can put sand in and some stakes. This would be best if you had 4 people to put this up. We did it with 2. It just took us a little bit longer. So you open it up and then you put the canopy on. I do want to comment that the canopy is really high quality. The fabric is super thick. You can see it's silver on the inside and then the blue on the outside. It has a special coating that blocks up to 99% of UV rays. And the seams are all tape sealed, so that's going to prevent leakage and you are going to be able to sit outside and be nice and dry. So you can see you need to give a little muscle to the sides here to push this up. Essentially what you do is you push up the sides and they just lock into place, and then that's it. You are all set. The canopy attaches via Velcro on the sides. I'm going to show you inside in a second, and Velcro on the inside. This is the lowest level for the gazebo. I wanted to show you this because I think it would be great for the beach being a little bit lower because you'd be sitting on your sand chairs. You can see this is super sturdy. The internal structure is great. You have the super thick reinforced Velcro and the steel rods, which are just awesome. Everything is covered with a nice coating, so it feels great. And this is huge, 15 by 10 coverage area. And it says that you could fit 6 to 8 people. I think you could fit even more. This goes over our entire outdoor patio. I am loving this, not only because it is easy to put up, but this is really portable because it was even easier to take down with just 2 people. Everything comes down with the push of a button. The hardest thing was to get the canopy off of the top because it was a little bit windy and that Velcro is strong. The Velcro on the side poles really kept the canopy in place, which is awesome again if you're using this in a very windy place. You could use this all seasons. It is just that great and that amazing. So again, I love this pop-up waterproof canopy shelter. It comes with a wheeled bag, 4 bags for sand. It comes with tethers and with spikes and just everything that you need. It allows you to enjoy the outdoors all seasons. You can see Peppa's loving it. My husband and I are loving it, so definitely get one. This would also be a great gift for your outdoor enthusiasts or for people who own an RV or go camping a lot. Beach goers as well. We love it. Can't recommend it enough. Highly recommend. Cheers.